And if I've reached here, it is only because of that.